So we're going to switch over back to that. So right now, this is what the radar is looking like. I mean, this is for the hail. So we're going to take a look at the wind speeds. Wind's pretty strong around that area right now. I'm just hovering over. It's around 36.9 miles per hour. Let me take a look at something. I'm going to see if I can do it like this. I'm going to remote my computer from this laptop I'm using right here, if I can. And what I'm going to do, so if you're just now tuning in, yeah. So if you're just now tuning in, this is a severe thunderstorm warning. So if you're in New Haven, Alternative, Aldertonville, Howardstown, and White City or Huntsville, you're under a severe thunderstorm warning that will expire at 5:30 p.m. So this is what we're watching right now. Let me zoom in on it. We're getting a little bit of hard rain with it right now. This is what we're watching right now. Oh, let me see something. So what I'm going to do is switch over to the Kentucky Mesonet. I'm going to turn the this is current temperature and that. So what I'm going to do is interact with this and show you what the wind speeds are. Let me go back to the Kentucky Mesonet. Let me interact with it. So what I'm going to do is go to wind, current wind. So this is what it's showing up right now. So around that area, it's 9 miles per hour. Or let's do wind gust. Current gust. So 20 miles per hour here in Grayson County is what it's saying. 20 miles per hour wind gust. So what we'll do is going to go back to the in your shadow, Grayson. Show you what Big Clifty Weather Cam is looking like as we transition to the Big Clifty Weather Cam right now, and show you what the Big Clifty Weather Cam is looking like right now. So this is what the Big Clifty Weather Cam is looking like right now. At time now is 4:17. You can see the wind blowing in the distance right there and everything. So so this is what the radar is looking like right now. We're going to switch over back to the radar, and we're going to keep it right here. But this is a severe thunderstorm warning we're watching right now. And so we're going to keep it right here. What I'm going to do is copy that, paste it back there. I'm going to send that again. This is a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued. Radar indicated. This is for Hardin. I think it's just for Larue County now. Let me see if they updated that. So I'm going to minimize this. Right. So what I'm going to do is check this. They're going to cancel it for Hardin County and continue it for Larue and Nelson. I'm going to step off the screen, and I'm going to take a screen and take a little quick break, and I'll jump back here in a couple minutes.
National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Larue County in central Kentucky, Marion County in central Kentucky, northern Taylor County in central Kentucky, until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:22 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles west of Lebanon, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Lebanon around 5:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Hi everyone, I'm back here with the update. Had to run, do something. And I know whenever I was doing stuff, the weather radio did go off. So let's take a look at what it's saying. Severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for Larue, Marion, and Taylor County that will expire at 6 p.m. Central Time. So what I'm going to do is go turn Cameo back on. I have my phone right there. So what I'm going to do is plug my phone in. Then you'll see me jump back on the screen. So I just got another update from the National Weather Service. Let me see what they said. The National Weather Service said a strong thunderstorm will impact Lincoln, Gardner, and southeast Boyle County and Madison, northeast of Casey County through 6 p.m. Wind is 40 miles per hour. You're getting heavy rain. Let me go back to the radar and show you what the radar is looking like right now. Just got another update from the National Weather Service too. Severe thunderstorm expires severe thunderstorm warning for Larue and Nelson County. So what we're going to do is zoom out on the radar and show you what the radar is looking like right now. A storm's starting to fire up around the area right now. See, it's all up north right now. Let me zoom in on that. We're going to turn the 2-panel on and see what the 2-panel is looking like. So we're going to... Let me check to see if there's any rotation with that. So what I'm going to do, I'm checking for is seeing if there's any rotation with these storms. You're getting 2-inch hail with this. Let me switch over to that right now. So this is what we're watching right there. It's got another update from the National Weather Service. Let me check and see what it says. They updated that severe thunderstorm warning. They're canceling it for Larue and continuing it for Marion and Taylor County until 6 p.m. So that's from the National Weather Service in Louisville. So right now it's like around 3 inches. The hail there is around 3 inches as I'm looking on the radar right now, is what it looks like right now, is what it's showing on the radar. And you can tell right here, this is what I'm looking at right here, it's around 3 inches, as you can tell right there. So, and on this side of the screen, you'll see where that hail core is. But what I'm doing is going to look and see, we're going to continue that. So red. I keep on forgetting which one is which. Red. I forget what velocity is. I need a refresher. I need to get my iPad. So let me put this radar in motion for you. So this is what the radar looks like in motion if it gets caught up to each other. I'll show you what the one panel is looking like. So this is what the one panel is looking like right now, as that storm is moving through the area right now. Let me pause it and move it right now. So if you're in Lebanon Junction, you're getting light rain right now, as you can tell on the radar. Let me update that. So what I'm going to do is copy and paste that. Let's see how many people or anything. So it should just updated on there, and it did. Okay, they're cancel it for the Larue. So anything that I put on the screen, anything I put in the comments, it will show up on the screen right here, and it'll probably do the same thing for you all as well. So if you put anything down here, I can see them, and everybody else can see them too. So this is something new where I added, so we can see it. So I'm going to search what velocity is. Red colors indicates wind moving away from the radar. Okay. So let's switch over to the velocity. Okay. Let me move. Let me turn this off. So what we're going to do. So let me pull up the National Weather Service chat again. So this is what I'm looking at right now. It's logging me out of this thing. So what I'm doing is pulling up the Restream chat. So this is severe thunderstorm warning we're watching right now. This does have hail in it. Let me take a look at it. It's going back down to around 2 inches around that area right now. So I want to keep you updated here on Grayson County weather with this severe thunderstorm warning. Surprisingly, nothing has went severe for our area, but here in Grayson County. But we're going to take a run down on everything right now. Let me do current temperatures and everything. So right now, the sun's shining outside. I'm just going to say that. And with that being said, that will fuel these storms too. So if you're just now tuning in, right here in Grayson County, it's 79 degrees right now. And down around Paducah in that area, it's 87, almost in the 90s. So that's what's going to generate these storms, is the hotness weather that we're going to get. I've never seen you so active. Grayson, you doing okay? I haven't seen you active in a long time. So we'll take a look at the Big Clifty weather cam right now and show you what the Big Clifty weather cam is looking like. Let me turn on Cameo I'm gonna get Grayson out for a little while too. So he's gonna be on my shoulder while I do this live stream. So this is Grayson, my bearded dragon. But right now, this is what the radar, Big Cliffy Weather Cam is looking like behind me. You can see the wind blowing just a little bit here. Traffic's moving A-OK on the West Kentucky Parkway right now. And that's what it looks like around the area right now. So we're going to switch back over to the radar and show you what the radar is looking like right now. But there is a chance of severe weather tomorrow too. And if I can bring that up. I don't know if this is an updated slide. It might be. No, it ain't. So what I'm going to do is have to change that. Let me get on here. Nope. Wrong one. Let's go to 4. Grayson. I'm going to put you back in the cage since it fell off me. Are you okay? Let's go to 5. Ooh, yeah, I think I just heard it. Thunder. So we're going to go to 5 and see if it'll pull it up like that. Nope. Let's go to 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. Let's try 6. Nope. Okay, it ain't pulling it up. So let's go back to severe thunder. Okay, so it ain't pulling it up. But what I'll do is pull up the. Well, I'll show you here in a little bit. So let's go back to this right over here and show you what we're watching right now. So this is what we're watching right now. This is severe thunderstorm warning we're watching right now. But yeah. So let me take a look at the National Weather Service chat. See if they said anything else. Okay, just let me out there. Wait a minute, I have to log back into the National Weather Service chat and see what it did. Because it logged me out for some reason. Hmm. Okay, they haven't said anything else yet. So we're gonna switch it back to the radar right now and show you what the radar is looking like. We're gonna zoom out too. So this is severe thunderstorm warning we're watching right now. That's going through Taylor and Taylor and Marion County right now. That'll expire at 6 p.m. Eastern time right now. 6 p.m. That'll be, 5 p.m. Central time. And the time now is 4:46 here in Big Clifton, Kentucky. But the severe thunderstorm warning will expire at 5 p.m. Central time. But I know you're all on Eastern time, so it'll expire at 6 o'clock. So if you're just now tuning in, this is severe thunderstorm for Marion and Taylor County that will expire at 6 p.m. Eastern time. And this is what the radar is looking like right now. So if you're in Phillipsburg, Merrimack, Bradfordsville, Raleigh, if you're in this polygon, this is a severe thunderstorm warning. Let's see what it says about that warning. Hail threat, radar indicated, maximum hail size is 1 inch. Wind threat is radar indicated, maximum wind gust is 60 miles per hour. A severe thunderstorm watch, severe thunderstorm which promoted the warning has moved into Marion County. Therefore, the warning for Larue County has been canceled. Severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of Marion and northeast Taylor counties, including the following locations: St. Joseph, Belltown, Jaycestown, Poplar Corner, Merrimack, and Calvary, and Bradfordville, and Greenbrier, and Gravel, Switch, and Willowtown. So that's from the National Service chat as well. But we're going to zoom out on the radar and give you a look around the area. Here's what the radar looks like around the area, and we'll put it into motion for you too. So that storm started right here in Hardin County and started making its way towards that way, as you can tell on the radar. We'll zoom in close on it too. So you can see it starting here in Elizabethtown and then making its way over to that area. And I think, no, I haven't expired it yet. So there's nothing yet for Campbellsville. I do have some friends down there that go to college down there. I'm keeping an eye on them too. So if you're just now tuning in, this is what we're watching right now on the radar. Is this severe thunderstorm for Marion and Taylor County right now. I want to know who's watching. Where's my iPad? iPad's right there. So if you're just now tuning in, this is a severe thunderstorm warning we're watching right now. We have 2 people watching on my Facebook right now. I'm going to check and see who they are. Sure, turn this down. So this is what we're doing right now is keeping on the radar and everything right now. I'm gonna get the price and see how it looks on here as well. So I have my don't know if you can see it on the live stream. I don't want you to see it on the live stream, but it'll be fine. But this is what we're watching right now. This is a severe thunderstorm warning. Let me go back to this, and I carried my mouse. Where did I put that mouse at? Here it is. But yeah, this is what we're watching right now. So if you're just now tuning in, this is severe thunderstorm warning for Marion and Taylor County that will expire at 6 p.m. And I just got another update from the National Weather Service chat. We're going to go to that.
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lincoln County in central Kentucky, northern Casey County in central Kentucky, until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles northwest of Liberty, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Downed trees and power lines were reported along Highway 68 south of Lebanon. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of Lincoln and northern Casey counties, including the following locations: Peyton Store, Crab Orchard, Bonneville, Ottenheim, Broughtontown, Walltown, Geneva, Jacktown, Roland, and Maywood. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Sorry, I forgot my mic was muted. So this is severe thunderstorm warning we are watching right now. This is for Lincoln and Casey County that expire at 6:30 p.m. Central Time. 6:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Right now it's 6 p.m. right now. So my computer is doing an update right now, and after this computer right here does an update, I'm gonna have to restart it. But that won't stop us from doing our live stream over here right now. If you're just now tuning in, this is severe thunderstorm warning we are watching right now. Severe thunderstorm warning that's been observed. So we're going to go back to the radar and show you what the radar is looking like. So this is what the radar is looking like for that Casey and Lincoln County severe thunderstorm warning. So if you're in Hustonville, South Fork, Yosemite, Chilton, Halls Gap, and Crab Orchard, this is severe thunderstorm warning will expire at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Keep on saying Central, but they're on Eastern Time. But this is what the radar is looking like right now for the area. We just got an update from the National Weather Service, so let's take a look at the chat. The National Weather Service is expiring the severe thunderstorm warning for Marion and Taylor County. So we're going to put that up on there too in the chat. So that has been expired, but we're still watching this severe thunderstorm warning here. So this severe thunderstorm warning we're watching right now. Okay, I'm checking to make sure that's working over there. Hey Alexa.
Sorry, I'm having trouble connecting to the internet. It looks like an issue with the router and echo device, so try restarting them. Unplug both of them, then plug the router back in. Wait 30 seconds. Once the router is back on and connected to the internet, plug in the echo device.
Okay, I do not know what's wrong with it, but let's do a rundown on everything. Show what everything's looking like. So let's go take a look at everything right now. So this is what the radar is looking like around the area. But let's take a look outside, what it's doing here in Garcia County. Well, sun is shining, and that will generate the power of the storms. We have that moisture and dew point moisture and everything. But this is what it looks like right now. You can tell the wind's blowing right now. Right now, let's take a look at the Kentucky Mezzanette and show you what the temperatures are looking like. Kentucky Mezzanette. So we're going to switch over to the temperatures right now. Because I'm not on camera. Let me bring myself on camera. Okay. So I'm gonna bring myself on camera right now. So I don't know what was wrong with it. Okay, so temperatures right now in Grace County is at 79 degrees. If you're around that area, down around Paducah and that area, it's 87 degrees right now. So if you're just now tuning in, there's a severe thunderstorm warning I'm watching, but we're doing a rundown of everything right now. Show you what's going on right now. What we'll do is take a look at the forecast for tomorrow. Let me turn on that. Now, just got another update from the National Weather Service. We'll check that right now. The 911 call center reports of property damage, hail damage, and tree down along Highway 412 east of Covert Road near Campbellsville Highway. This was in Marion County. That's the first storm report that we got in just now. I'll share that to the live stream right now. See if that'll pop up. It does. So this is what we're watching right now. So we'll pop that up on the. So this is from the National Weather Service. That's what they just posted right there. But we're gonna do a rundown of the forecast and show you what it's gonna do throughout the week. So tonight, scattered showers and storms, and temperatures around 61 to 67 degrees. Got another update from the National Weather Service. And then Thursday, 81 to 88 degrees, storm showers and storms. And tomorrow we are issuing another weather alert day because we're in a slight risk for severe weather tomorrow as well. So we'll keep it right here and everything. And please stay updated here on the Grace Canada Weather Facebook page. But right now, for Friday, it's going to be hot, 88 to 92 degrees, hot and dry. And Saturday, showers and storms. Again, 88 to 91. And will those storms be severe? Maybe, but I'm waiting for the Storm Prediction Center to see what they're going to say for Saturday for severe weather. So what we're going to do is go back to the radar and show you what the radar is looking like right now. So this is what the radar is looking like right now. Let me see what else they said. Reports of trees down on a vehicle on Highway 289. A tree down on a vehicle on 289 in 2 miles northeast of Newmarket. And this is this is in Marion County. 911 call center reports a tree down on a vehicle on 289. That's from the National Weather Service chat. So what I'm going to do is wrong thing. I can draw on it, Gerald. Like this. So this is what we're watching right now, is this storm right here. You can tell I try to draw on it and it looks terrible. But yeah, we're watching this storm right here around this area. I need to stop. We'll mark, erase pin mark. So this is what we're watching right now. It's a little bit of lightning strike with it right there, as you can tell. Let's switch over to the velocity and see what the wind speed is. It's around 51 miles per hour right now, is what it's saying. So let me take a look at the National Weather Service chat and see if it says anything else. So that's what it's saying right now from the National Weather Service in Louisville. You can tell right down here, it tells you the National Weather Service chat right there. So if you're just now tuning in, I want to keep you updated on the last severe weather coverage here right now. Wind's starting to blow out there. What I'm going to do is zoom out on the radar, switch to reflectivity. I'm going to do anything behind this. I'm going to check in Paducah and see what's behind this. Check Evansville, Indiana. Time now is 5:11 p.m. Central Time, but we're going to keep it here on this severe thunderstorm warning until it expires. And then if anything goes severe again, we'll go live again here on the Grayson County Weather's Facebook page. So, okay, so if you live in, what the hell is that? Live in Mansville and around that Campbellsville area, probably get seen 1-inch size hail. That's about quarter size hail. I like the way that's looking. So let me do something. Okay, so not like see something. We go to T-panel. The National Weather Service just updated the chat.
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Taylor County in central Kentucky, central Casey County in central Kentucky, until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles east of Campbellsville, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Liberty around 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
As you heard, they issued another warning for the Casey and Lincoln County. Casey and this is for Casey and Taylor County. Casey and Taylor County, that expired 6:45. So we're going to keep it right here on the live stream, and we're going to keep it here on the live stream. So we're going to go back to this, zoom out. Good thing I was watching that, because I knew they was going to do something with that storm. So this has severe thunderstorm warning for Taylor County and Casey County until 6:45. At 6:12, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles east of Campbellsville, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Source was radar indicated. Impacts includes hail damage to vehicles as expected. Expected wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm warning. This severe thunderstorm will be near Liberty around 6:30. Hail threat is radar indicated. Maximum hail size is 1 inch. Wind threat is radar indicated. Maximum wind gust is 60 miles per hour. That's from the National Weather Service in Louisville. So these are the two severe thunderstorm warnings we have right now that we are watching. And yes, I do have the 2 panel up right now, but we're going to switch back to the one. Show you what we're watching right now. So this is for the Casey and Taylor County. That will expire at 6:45, and then we have this one for Casey and Lincoln County. That will expire at 6:30. The time now is 6:16 p.m. Central Time. Eastern Time, 5:16 Central. Right now, the temperature is almost 80 degrees here in Grayson County right now. So we're going to take a look at the temperatures around the area right now. Let me pull the temperature map up. So as we wait for it to load, here it is. So, right on the dot. It is 80 degrees here right now. As it gets warmer, and the sun is shining, we have enough time to heat up this atmosphere to create fuel for the storm. So this is what we're watching right now. But yeah, the sun is shining right now. As you can tell, right behind me, this is what it looks like outside right now. We do have the cattle trailer racks off right now of the trailer. But traffic's moving AOK on the West Kentucky Parkway. You can see the wind blowing in the distance right now. Let me see if I can pull up a Trimark camera. See if I can do that. Wait for it to load. Let me see. Whoa. We were doing something. Hello. So what we're going to do, I'm going to switch this back to the radar. I'm going to go to the Trimark camera. What I'm going to do is see if there's any traffic cameras around that area. Wait for it to load. It's around, where did I say it was around? And then this broadhead. Let's go right here. So yeah, this is what we're doing is going to the Trimark camera. Move this over to screen 2. What I'm trying to do is make this full screen so I can show y'all what the weather cam is looking like around that area. So this is looking, this is I-75 right now. I-75. Just got an update on it. Why? Oh, probably why. I had something else turned on. So this is what that camera is looking like right now around that area right now. But we'll go back to this and show you what the radar is looking like right now. And I just got another update from the National Weather Service chat, so we're going to go look at that as well. There's a mesoscale discussion concerning thunderstorm watch for 240. Let me view that right now. There's an error or feedback. View text. Discussion at a cluster of most large hail damage wind threat continues this evening. Discussion in cluster of moisture eastern instability across Kentucky, greater surface basin, the western edge of the cluster of greater large hail, wind storms. This is for the Jacksonville, LMK, and I'm gonna go to the Storm Predictions Center website and see what it's saying. Paste and go. Discussion. It's only showing one mesoscale discussion right now. So I don't know why they just sent that. Oh, that's what I'm looking at right now. But let's go back to the severe thunderstorm warning right now and show you what the severe thunderstorm warning is looking like right now. I'm going to try to find my monitor on here. Oh, right on. So this is the two severe thunderstorm warnings we're watching right now. We gotta thinking about switching to Jacksonville radar, but I don't know. I'm just gonna test and see what it looks like right now. But if you're just now joining my live stream here on Facebook, this is severe thunderstorm warning for watching for Casey and Lincoln and Casey and Taylor County. The one for Casey and Lincoln will expire at 6:30, and the one for Casey and Taylor County that will expire at 6:45. So what I'm doing is switching radars right now and see if it makes a difference or not. Oh, let me do something. I'm going to exit out of this. Let me go back to one. Out of that too. Alright. So it doesn't make a bit of difference. I don't want to go Colorado for that warning. So right now, this is what we're looking at right now. This severe thunderstorm warning for our area for load. And it wants me to use Casey and Lincoln County's radar. If it doesn't, the National Weather Service just issued. Okay, they're going to let that warning expire. Canceled for Taylor and keeping it for Casey. So what we're going to do is zoom in on that severe thunderstorm warning. Not too far. So if you're in one of these areas, if you're in these two polygons right here, this is what we're watching right now. So National Weather Service just updated severe thunderstorm warning. So we're going to pop that up on here. So updates to the severe thunderstorm warning. This wind 60 miles per hour wind gust. Radar indicated hail is 1 inch. Radar indicated cancels for Taylor County and continues for Casey County until 6:45 Eastern time. Right now, current temperature here in Gracie County is 80 degrees right now. So after this moves out of Lincoln County, no, they're continuing it for Casey. Let me take a look. South Campbellsville, Casey, got Liberty. That's Casey. Continue on for Lincoln. That's in Lincoln County. Whenever that one in Lincoln County fires, been Rockcastle County. So, whenever, if anything, it might push towards that way, being Pulaski County. So what we're going to do is keep it on here, on the live stream here, because I was looking at the area to see where it would be at. So this is what we're watching right now on the radar. Is that only showing a black school? Man, my TV is like showing black screen, like I don't know why. I didn't do nothing to it. I'm gonna turn it off and turn it back on because I never had it do something like this. Showing like wow. I need to take a picture of that, of my TV messing up, because I never had it do this before. We're in live stream, so that TV's messed up. I really don't want to get another one, but I probably have to. Let's see which one goes to that TV. Meeny, miny, mo. Plug this, unplug this. Nope. It goes to something else. Wait. TV's unplugged. Put it back. I don't know what just happened. Something got unplugged again and I had to plug it back up. Oh. So that severe thunderstorm warning has been expired. So, let me turn my TV on and see what it did. If it will come on. It just came on. So what I'm going to do, did we just lose the internet connection? Alright. So what I'm going to have to do is jump back on there. Oh no. I don't know what it did. So right now we're watching this severe thunderstorm warning right now. What I'm gonna do is jump off of this and head over to the computer desk and let this update, and we'll do the update on this computer that I'm on right now on my laptop. So what we're doing is going to restart this computer, and I'll head over here to the other desk so we can go back to this severe thunderstorm warning we're watching right now. If you're just now tuning in, that's what we're watching right now. Severe thunderstorm warning for Casey County that will expire at 6:45 Eastern Time. I have like a lot of things open. I don't know why. Okay, you can go away. Oh, let me open that back. Mouse is so touchy. So this is what the radar. Ooh, temperature went back down. It did say 80 degrees, but it's at 79.9 again. So we're going to National Weather Service chat on this computer right now. So if you hear anything go ding ding or boom, anything else like that, means we got an update on the National Weather Service chat. So what I'm doing is going to that. Probably hear the birds outside chirping. And right now the sun is shining here in Big 50. So right now, looking at the National Weather Service chat. I'm gonna the National Weather Service did update that severe thunderstorm warning. So what we're gonna do is put it there, put an updated chat on there. It's from the National Weather Service chat. LMK updates severe thunderstorm warning with the 60 miles per hour wind gust to 1 inch size hail. Cancel for Taylor and continues for Casey County until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Time. So what I'm going to do, computer is updating, that's at 27%. So what we're doing right now is keeping an eye on the radar. See what the radar is looking like right now. Let me undo that. So if you're just now tuning in, this is what we're watching right now. It's 5:35. Warning will be expiring. I don't know. I think 9 minutes. Couldn't do my math right. So this is what we're watching right now. Let's take a look at the temperatures right now, because we got an updated temperature. Temperature's going back down again. Oops. Popped up on camera. Wait 1 minute. I'm still popped up on camera. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna step off the green screen and just use the computer for now. Then if a warning is issued, if another warning is issued again, I don't know if I'll go back, but if a tornado warning is issued, then we'll go to the green screen wall. But right now, traffic's moving A-OK on the West Kentucky Parkway right now. The wind's blowing, and it's 79.9 degrees here in Grayson County. But let's take a look at the the current temperatures courtesy of the Kentucky Mesonet. Right now, it's 80 degrees right now. Let me do something, because on Twitter, I don't like it how my feed gets interrupted on Twitter. I need to pin these posts whenever we go live. I need to start doing that more often. Start pinning the pinning the live stream to the pages and everything. So that's what I'm doing right now. It's 88 degrees around Paducah, it looks like. I don't know what's wrong with it. It ain't letting me see any of my posts on Facebook anymore. It keeps on going to the about. What's the last National Service chat? 131. So what I'm doing is trying to find the National Weather Service chat. You have 15 comments? Let's see what it says. I'm pulling up the comments, but okay, it's probably all mine. Okay. So this is what we're watching now on the National Weather Service chat. Let's go to the Big Clifty Weather Cam and show you what the Big Clifty Weather Cam is looking like right now. This is what the Big Clifty Weather Cam is looking like right now. So what we're going to do is transition to this. So if they're going to let this warning expire, I'll let you know. So the current time now is 5:40. It'll be 6:40. This storm will expire in 5 minutes. And my computer will back up. So if they're going to let this storm expire, we will end the live stream. And when the thing is issued again, we'll do another live stream. So we're just going to keep it right here to see what the National Weather Service chat is going to do. Switching back and forth and seeing what it's going to do. Right now, this is what the current radar is looking like around the area right now. Just showers and thunderstorms moving areas right now. This one right here was is severe. Is the only one right now. It looks like they're getting hard rain around Elwood right now. But if this warning expires, we'll end the live stream. So, time now is 5:42. Temperature is going down now. 79.8 right now, as you've seen that just update. Someone's watching last time right now. So what we're doing is we're gonna keep it on here. Time now is 6:43 Eastern time, 5:43 Central. So what they'll probably do is probably let this expire, but I'm gonna switch it to the National Weather Service in Jacksonville radar. Hmm. So what we're gonna do is still keep it on here. Okay, they did let that warning expire. So what we're going to do is, I want to thank y'all for tuning in, and if another warning is issued, we will go live again. So I want to thank y'all for tuning in, and if anything goes severe again, we'll start another live stream. Broadcasting from Big Clifton, Kentucky, I'm Cody Brock here with Grayson County Weather. Thank you for tuning in. And this alert day will still continue into tomorrow because a slight risk has been issued for tomorrow as well. I'm Cody Brock here with Grayson County Weather.
This is Grayson County weather.